So today we're going to be taking a look at how you can use NordVPN to appear in a certain location. So this may be, you might not just want to appear in like the USA for example, but you might want to appear in like San Francisco or like another state or maybe a certain part of a country with NordVPN. And I'm going to show you how you can do that. So once you've got your NordVPN extension installed on Chrome, if you don't know how to do this, we have a video on the channel showing that. We just click on our NordVPN, and once we're here, currently we're not connected, but you see you've got your line of countries. If we click this little drop down arrow, you're going to see we've got some different countries, more than what's advertised up here. But certain countries, like for example Australia here, have a few different cities that we can appear in. We can appear in like Adelaide, Brisbane, Melbourne, Sydney, Perth. And all we do is click on one of them. So if we click like Perth for example, it'll now go and connect us to show that we're in Perth. And as well as that, it also connects it here. So if you'd like to appear in a certain place, it's right here for you when you want to switch back or you want to go between a few. Another thing you can do is you can come in down here to your settings tab. Once you're in settings, you can click security and privacy. And you can click this location spoofing. And what that says is set your browser to use the location and time zone of the VPN server you're connected to. So if we turn this on, and what we can do next is we can go on Google, we type in what time is it, and it's going to give us the time for Sydney. As you can see, I'm currently in the UK, and my time is up here on the top of this MacBook. You can see right here it is 8:31, and you can see here it's 7:31 AM in Sydney, where we connected our NordVPN. So that is how you change the location. Some countries have more support than others, as you can see, like some of these like Argentina, Belgium, Brazil, they only have one. Canada has a few. The one that has the most is the USA. So if we scroll all the way down to the bottom, you can see USA has 16 different cities, and there's quite a few different ones there that you can pick from. So if we do it again, we just connect back to San Francisco, and now if we refresh our tab, you'll now see that the time is also updated for us, and it's still the 8 o'clock in the UK. So that's how you change your country with your NordVPN. Hope you guys found that useful. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.